It's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna have to do on this bottom one, again, you better be perfect every single time. I mean, you've got really no room for error when you're cutting your drywall out on your boxes. I don't know. I can't seem to figure out a great way to do it without and just and be perfect. I don't know how to do it. So anyway, I have to get something to put between this screw and the box to back it up so that I don't have that when you're plugging stuff in. I'll get some little mini washers or something and put in there. It's very frustrating. So what I'm doing to combat this is I'm taking these old wall anchors. I got a ton of these things and cutting them down. Little pieces like that. And then I'm putting them on behind the screws. And that's gonna set me off just enough and provide a backing so my outlet will be solid. So, a short video this weekend. Just I got all the cracks, all the filler and dirt and gnarl and all the stuff that 130 years will leave in between these tongue and groove floorboards. I got it all out. Got it all swept up. Got the first coat of water locks on the closet floor. First coat of water locks on the jambs for the closet and the room. And yeah, just keep plugging away. It is Thanksgiving coming up, so I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. We're gonna have Thanksgiving here at this house, and yeah, be a nice time. It's supposed to warm up. It is cold past couple days here in the Midwest. Real cold for November. I don't remember it being this cold in November in quite a while. So tomorrow is supposed to be upper 40s, lower 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, have a happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and we will see you soon.